Oh. Lift number 3, retake. I don't know which number. Probably the 4th, 5th one now. Here it is. That still don't work. Voice module is still dead. It's a shame. It's had the East very nicely skid boys and now it's gone. Of course, needless to say, United Lifts now maintain this thing. It used to be QLD. And, you know, it's quite obvious that Connor was a way better man to maintain it than United, whatever United is. 2,040 kilograms, 25 persons. Unlike lift number 1, this one still has its fan on. Actually, light's burnt. Pretty sure you still can't fall up here. Yeah, you can't. Still. That's it.